Yesterday I was watching a video with Knife Ninja. Yeah man, Knife Ninja went downtown and feed those homeless people with patty and juice and water. And the first part of the video, when I saw Knife Ninja mom come out and talking about chump change, she's gonna give Knife Ninja some money. I don't know is how much. If it is 14,000, if it's 4,000. And the way she was exalting herself. That's why I said, yes, when you're humble, God provide for you. Don't come out and exalt yourself. Just come out and just humble yourself. I said, yes, I'm going to give my son this money to go downtown and like do whatever he wants to do. Help out the homeless people. But when I saw Mommy Cuckoo Bird, yes, man, that's why that name sticks on you. Mommy Cuckoo Bird. Just give. Just like how anybody would send something from overseas to Color Smith TV, to the Greens family. To just, yes. I know locals can give something now and then, but sometimes I hate when somebody just come out and they just want to exalt themselves. It's like, it's all about she. You're a Christian woman. You must humble. Remember that you read your Bible each and every day. Humble yourself. Because even when I saw Knife Ninja went downtown and he found that homeless guy, his name is Uncle Wani. Yes, and he went down there, him and his team members, and they deliver and he bought them KFC and stuff. But just humble yourself, mommy. That's why Knife Ninja keep on get flagging on the YouTube street, because as if Knife Ninja just take everything away, everything from you. Just love to exalt. And I'm saying to myself, why Knife Ninja have to go and do the same thing as Color Smith TV, buy patty and stuff? It's like you're competing with Color Smith TV. If it was me, Knife Ninja, I would never say this, I'm gonna buy patty. I would go and I rather to cook something, because it is a bit cheaper more than me to take my money and just buy patty. It's just one patty. One patty cannot fool every. Because yesterday when I was watching that video, I'm saying to myself, one patty cannot fool those homeless people belly. Say best if you cook some, even some mackerel. Yes, some grace mackerel with some white rice and carrot and give it to the people them. More than you go and buy, say 3 dozen patties. That is more expensive. But sometimes when we want to compete with Color Smith TV, because I realize that you're competing with Color Smith TV, that's why I said is one Color Smith TV. You don't have to compete with Color Smith TV, because I would never compete with Color Smith TV. Look at Auntie Dana. Auntie Dana go downtown and cook for those homeless people. Is she competing with Color Smith TV? It does not worth it. It does not worth it to compete, Knife Ninja. Just do what you can do. Just cook. Because if it was me in your shoe, I would say to myself, why would I go and buy patty? It's not going to last those people for even for 4 hours. You're competing with Color Smith TV. Just do your thing. But do not compete with Color Smith TV. I would never do it. Even me and the YouTube street, I think I would come out and say that I'm going to compete with another reactor that is there before me. No, it's the same thing you're doing. You're competing with Color Smith TV. Just stay in your lane and just do your thing. And when the money comes, just buy what you can buy. Because Color Smith TV can just put his hand in his pocket and come out and just go and treat those homeless people downtown. But when I see what you're doing, Knife Ninja, it's not making it. And I saw mommy come out and mommy is exalting herself. Stop exalting yourself. You're literally baiting up yourself. Just come out and do what you can do. Just come out and do what you can do, Knife Ninja, and let the people, the homeless people, feel that energy. Look at Color Smith TV. He's in America. He even go and cook events, go different places and cooking. And you're loving his food. You should have tried and say, let me cook some of what Color Smith TV cook and bring to those people downtown. But patties, not even a cocoa bread with it. Because I love patty and cocoa bread, guys. But that's why sometimes, sometimes when we are competing with somebody that build that foundation, because Color Smith TV have build that foundation that you're sitting on, Knife Ninja, that you're building and right now. Yeah, Color Smith TV has built that foundation. So I would never try to compete with Color Smith TV. Anything with Color Smith TV do, I'm gonna try and do something different. Yes, this is me. Because even if I saw my friend with something and I love it, a dress, I'm not going to go and buy the same color. I'm going to buy a different color and try to dress a different way from my friend. But you have to stop that knife ninja, man. Yeah, mommy, mommy, don't make it. You don't make it, mommy. Just come out and humble yourself. And if you support your son to feed those homeless people, just humble yourself. The humblest calf suck the most milk. You know, see how me come on the YouTube street and I'm so humble. I am humble just being me, loving me. I don't want to come on the YouTube street and compete with nobody. Mm-mm. I don't want that. I want to come and be empress from Jamrock. I want to have that. I want to have that outstanding person about myself. Yes, I want to stand out. I want to stand out. I don't want to be like nobody on the YouTube streets. Knife Ninja, that you have to do. Because when I saw you go and buy a party, I'm saying to myself, why? Why could you do something different? Cook something. I know you want to get those views. Yes, sometimes even you get the wish list, you get all those fancy utensils. Cook with those stuff, bake. Because I heard you said one of those guys love to bake. He could bake some toto, pudding. And you just go downtown and give them some pudding and juice and water. I hope you're watching this video on Knife Ninja. You say your friend, I don't know if a cuz boy, say cuz boy love to bake. Make cuz boy throw down some baking, man. Bake some toto and some pudding and slice them up. And it's much cheaper. Just go into Coronation Market and buy all those ingredients. I always giving you information, but it seems like you're not watching my videos. It's as if it's only your haters are watching me on the YouTube streets. I know your haters are watching me. Just like how Alisa Kim haters, they're I don't know what. When we come out as reactors and speak our minds, I don't know why you guys get so defensive. It is content. We are speaking out. We are just literally speaking the truth. So do not get up in your feelings. We are reactors. A time gonna coming up. When I make my name on the YouTube street, somebody's gonna come and want to be like Empress from Jamrock, but it's only one. People's gonna want to imitate me. Go back and check my videos and just make contents off of those videos. So Knife Ninja, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane, Knife Ninja. And just be yourself and people will love you. Don't compete with Colorsmith TV. It's only one Colorsmith TV on the app. Just like how it's only one Empress from Jamrock is on the app, the YouTuber. Nobody can never be like me. Nobody. So just stay in your lane, stay focused, Knife Ninja, and do not compete and watch your mother coming out and talking. That's bullshit. If she's gonna help, just help Mommy Cuckoo Bird. You don't have to be exalting yourself. That is actually killing your son channels. Anyway, guys, thanks for listening, and just leave a comment on this video here and just have a wonderful day. Bye.